A wall water fountain makes an excellent addition to any home, whether you're looking to create a peaceful, relaxing environment or simply add a touch of elegance. Not only do wall fountains provide a calming atmosphere, but they also offer various health benefits, including acting as natural humidifiers and air purifiers. Wall water fountain. If you're considering installing a wall water fountain in your home, here are 8 reasons why you should go ahead and do it. The appeal of having a wall water fountain at home continues to grow. If you're contemplating whether to jump on this trend, let's dive into the top 8 reasons why adding a wall water fountain in your home could be one of the best decisions you'll make for your living space. Enhances a room's aesthetic. Firstly, a wall-mounted water feature provides a modern and elegant look to your interior. With its striking design and calming sound, a wall water fountain can exude sophistication within a living area, office, or hallway. Secondly, it can easily become a focal point in any room, adding a unique and stylish touch that elevates the overall decor. The fountain's constant water flow creates a captivating and soothing ambience, making it an ideal addition to liven up your plain wall. Furthermore, a wall water fountain gives off a peaceful and tranquil aura, making it perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere inside your home. If you are looking for a way to create an unusual and unique design element in a room, adding a wall water fountain is amazing. Enhances a room's aesthetic, reduces ambient noise levels, promotes relaxation and creates a sense of calm. It increases indoor air quality, adds humidity to your space, requires minimal maintenance, promotes positive energy feng shui, can help save space. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and if you have any interesting topics, let us know as well.